After startup, you'll see the Start tab. Here you can use the Open button to open a drawing, or the drop-down to open a sheet set or explore the sample drawings. Use the New button to create a drawing from the default drawing template file, or the New drop-down to browse available templates, get more templates online, or use the Create Sheet Set wizard. View the most recently used documents, open and save files to your connected drives, and explore various online learning content. We also provided easy access to important online resources like the What's New, Online Help, AutoCAD mobile app, AutoCAD web app, and more. In the Announcements area, you'll receive information about product updates, surveys, and Have You Tried articles. And in Connect, you can sign into your Autodesk account to access online services or send us feedback. The drawing area is where you create and modify objects to represent your design. In the upper left corner of the drawing area are the viewport controls. Here you toggle the display of the view cube and other viewing tools, control the number of viewports, select a named or preset view, or select a visual style. The view cube allows you to rotate the view of your drawing to see it from a different viewpoint. The navigation bar provides access to the steering wheel, pan, zoom and orbit tools, and show motion. Use the menu button in the lower right corner to customize the navigation bar. The drawing area also contains the UCS icon, which displays the positive directions of the X, Y, and Z axes. When you hover over a Drawing File tab, you'll see preview images of the model and layouts. Right-click on any Drawing File tab for additional options. Drag a File tab from the Application window, creating a floating window. This makes it easy to move the drawing onto another monitor. To return a floating window to the application, drag the title bar to the Files tab.